Good afternoon again, students. I'm Professor Jason Yunkin. We're looking at our course home page. I'm going to show you a few things here on the left side menu. Right now we want to remind you about this lower item, ELA 990 units. Select the units and you can find two major folders of information. You can use this start here to get acquainted with the module, or check out essay writing or grammar usage. I recommend grammar usage. Has the most content and the widest variety of content. Extremely helpful is sentence structure. Also clauses are the major parts of sentences, so the noun, adverb, and adjective clauses are very helpful. Let's check out adverb clauses. So this is an example of doing exercises for your lab work grade. So I can choose one of the lessons after viewing a basic introduction of the materials, and you can see the exercises listed there. So again, you need 25 exercises in this 990 units location. So start with the left side menu, 990 units, choose essay or grammar usage, and I highly recommend adverb clauses, noun clauses, adjective clauses. Okay, check back for another video soon. Thank you.